What is up, guys? Welcome back to Crypto in Action. I hope you guys are all doing great. I'm doing amazing. I was sick the past few days, but I'm actually getting better now. You can hear it in my voice. I sound a lot better than I did in my last video, so thank God for that. Anyways, we're going to take a look at the Bitcoin price today. Okay, we're going to first of all talk about what has happened in the Bitcoin price since the last video I made, and then we'll talk about where I see Bitcoin going in the next coming hours or days. Okay, so let's jump right into the chart right now. Okay, what has happened? Let's see. Right now I'm looking at the 4-hour time frame. We can see that Bitcoin is currently trading at 17,200. Okay, it just started pumping not too long ago. Okay, first thing I want to point out is that Bitcoin finally reached my price target of 16,600. This is a prediction I made in my last video. You know, when Bitcoin was trading around 17,200, I told you guys, hey, watch out, the price is about to dump, and the first price target for the dump should be around 16,600. And yeah, this actually played out pretty well. You can see it right now. Bitcoin started dumping when it was at 17,200. It started dumping. It ended up finding some support around 16,900, and then from there it bounced back up to 17,000 once more, and then finally it dumped right into the price target of 16,600. This is amazing, and this brought Bitcoin to fall right along this trend line here. Okay, so we have this up trend line in green, and it has been able to act as like some support for Bitcoin. This is why you're seeing that the price has been able to bounce back up to 17,000 once more because of this green uptrend line right here. Okay, so the price is now bouncing back up. Now we still have major resistance right along 17,500. Okay, this is major resistance for Bitcoin. So as long as Bitcoin continues to trade below 17,500, then I see the price continuing to dump lower. But if we end up breaking this resistance, then we're possibly heading higher to the next resistance, which is like around 18,000. Okay, so what I see happening right now, you know, because it looks like Bitcoin is like trading in this little pattern here, okay, between this green uptrend line and then this yellow line here, which is also acting as resistance, right? So what I see happening is that Bitcoin is probably going to go ahead and retest this resistance here. Okay, so this yellow line here is obviously acting as resistance. It has been acting as resistance for Bitcoin a lot here. So Bitcoin is definitely probably heading around this trend line here, and then it's gonna probably end up getting rejected. And then if it does that, then we're gonna come back down to this green line here, and then this time, you know, there's a high chance that we might not hold it. Okay, Bitcoin might not be able to hold the support. It might just end up breaking the support and head towards the major support, which is right along this purple trend line. Okay, so yeah, the price is still looking very bearish. Even if you go to the weekly time frame, what you see here on the weekly time frame is that the buying volume is actually decreasing every single week. Okay, the current weekly candle right now, look at the volume, it's so low. Okay, now this is bearish. Okay, usually when the volume is decreasing like this and the price is going up, it means that this move up is actually a false move. So because of this, there's like high chance that the price is actually going to end up reversing back down. Okay, here is an example of that here. So if you look at it here, all right, so you see from this candle here of back in like September 2022, okay, September 26th, you see we had a nice buy volume, right? But then what happened? The buy volume started decreasing, right? It started decreasing, and as the buy volume was decreasing, in the chart here, the price was increasing instead. Okay, so the buy volume is decreasing, and then the price, what is happening, the price is increasing, and then finally eventually the sellers came in and were able to push the price all the way down. We got this massive bearish engulfing candle, which literally like brought the price all the way down to like 15,460. Okay, this is exactly what is playing out right now. Okay, the price is moving up on the weekly time frame, but the volume is decreasing. So as long as this continues to happen, right, as long as the price keep going up and the volume is decreasing, then we're going to probably end up getting another massive bearish engulfing candle, which should bring Bitcoin all the way down to probably 12,000, which is like the major price target that I'm looking at for Bitcoin here on the weekly time frame and the monthly time frame. Okay, this is in the long term, but in the short term the price is probably going to 18,000, and then we should start dumping back down from there. Okay, anyways guys, this is it for the analysis. I will keep you guys updated in the next video, talk to you guys about what has happened. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash up the like button, turn on your notification bell if you are already subscribed, and if you're not yet subscribed, subscribe to the channel guys. You don't want to miss out on these analysis. They tend to be accurate the majority of the time, so definitely you want to subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have an amazing day, have an amazing weekend. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.